Okay, hello everyone, Jody LaPointe. I'm a technical service advisor at Coburn Supply. You've always looked for easy ways to clean mini splits or ductless units, however you want to call it. Today we've got a product by SpeedClean. It's called the Mini-Split Bib. This bib attaches to the mini-split or ductless unit via these brackets here on the side. They just slip over the top and over the back. We've got bungee cords here holding up the front of the bag. We want to make sure our bag is then inside the drain line here, so all of our water runs into our little tube here that goes into the bucket. And what we're going to use today is some indoor safe evaporator coil cleaner. Right here on the front of the machine, there's a little chart that tells you how many turns to turn the dial per your ratio of coil cleaner. So we're going to go 3 to 1 today. So we're going to turn the nozzle 1 complete round, and that sets our ratio just right at 3 to 1. So making sure our drain line is inside the bag, we're going to spray on some coil cleaner. We're going to soak it down really well, and then we're going to let it sit a little bit and get some of that grime off that coil. Then we're going to come back and rinse it. Okay, it's real easy to rinse. All we have to do is come down here to our dial and turn it completely off. So turn it 1 complete round back to 0, and that's going to be only water coming out of the tank. So here we go. This is how easy it is to rinse. You're still going to get a little bit of coil cleaner out in the very beginning, but it goes away real fast. So we're going to rinse the coil really well. And as you can see, all of our water's coming out of the drain pan going right into the bib. There you have it. Coil is all clean, no mess on the floor. Mini-Split Bib by SpeedClean. Get you one today at Coburn Supply.